started talking. Came across a place in the middle of nowhere with a big black horse and a cherry tree. Felt a little fear up on my back. I said, don't look back, just keep on walking. And the big black horse said, look this way. He said, hey, hey, lady, will you marry me? And I said, no, 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 no. I said, no, no, you're not the one for me. No, 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 no. I said, no, no, you're not the one for me. Well, my heart had a problem in the early hours, so I stopped it dead for a beat or two. But I cut some cord and I shouldn't have done it, and now it won't forgive me after all these years. So I sent it to a place in the middle of nowhere with a big black horse and a cherry tree. Now I won't come back cause it's oh so happy, and now I got a hold of the wild sea. And it said no, 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 no. It said no, no, you're not the one for me. No, 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 no. It said no, no, you're not the one for me. No, 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 you're not the one for me. No, 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 you're not the one for me. Big black horse in a cherry tree. Can't quite get there cause my heart's forsaking me. Big